Wellness includes exercise and relaxation. And here at the Mandu Spa restaurant in Conrad, Maldives, they've introduced a spa cuisine which offers organic and biodynamic food that complements the elements and affects the body, mind, and spirit. Hi, Chef Dylan, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So what are we making today?
I'm going to do the crab meat salad. This is one of the signature dishes in our restaurant.
Wow, look at the color on that. Oh, and the smell, it really comes up. I can smell like the lemons and the mustard. Chef Dylan, well this looks amazing. What's next?
So I'm going to do the next. It's a beef dish in the menu.
And is this a popular dish?
This is the one of the popular dishes in the restaurant.
There's so many elements of the healthiness, the shiitake mushrooms, the nori seaweed, as well as the arugula and the wasabi. So when they introduced the wellness aspect for this restaurant, what did you think of it?
We are thinking about the spa, then after massage they come to the restaurant. So they need like a light food for them. So our portion was very small.
I'm just about to enjoy my lunch, and it's so comforting to know that the food I eat and every ingredient used is to nourish my body. It's the perfect balance of adventure and serenity.